Right now, something born around another star is falling through our solar system. Not a story. Not a simulation. Real telescopes are tracking it tonight. It's called only the third visitor from another star humanity has ever caught. It's moving so fast the sun cannot hold on to it. It didn't come from here, and it isn't staying. And here's the question that should keep you up at night. How do we know it's from another star? Not guess. No. The answer is one simple number. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to spot an interstellar visitor yourself. July 1st, 2025, a survey telescope in Chile, part of a system named Atlas, built to warn us about asteroids, photographs a faint smudge of light in the constellation Sagittarius. This is that actual image. Within hours, computers fit an orbit to it, and something impossible falls out of the math. This thing is not orbiting the sun, it's passing through. Astronomers around the world drop everything. Hubble photographs it. Webb takes its temperature. Spacecraft at Mars turn their cameras on it as it flies past, because objects like this are the rarest visitors we know of, pieces of another solar system, delivered to ours. That point of light, right there. It was born around a different star. Come on, it's a rock in the sky, every comet looks like that. How could anyone possibly know where it's from? Fair question. It's the right question. And the answer is beautiful. Everything that belongs to the sun, planets, comets, asteroids, is gravitationally trapped, bound, like a ball swung on a string, and being bound puts a hard speed limit on you. At Earth's distance, anything moving faster than about 42 kilometers per second isn't circling the sun, it's escaping. So watch the number. 3 Atlas came in at nearly 60 kilometers per second, the fastest interstellar visitor ever recorded. The sun bends its path, but cannot close it. Instead of an ellipse, a loop, its orbit is a hyperbola, an open curve, one way in, one way out. That's the fingerprint. You don't need to see where it came from. The speed tells you it was never ours. Astronomers write it as eccentricity greater than 1. And this one's is about 6, the most extreme ever measured. It fell in from interstellar space, and it's leaving the same way. Now the myth. Every time one of these shows up, the internet says the same thing. It's a ship. It happened with Oumuamua. It happened again with 3I Atlas. Here's what the evidence says. Real spacecraft don't leak. This thing leaks like a comet everywhere we look. Webb found it venting carbon dioxide. SphereX saw water, dust, organic molecules. Mars orbiters watched a halo of gas swell around it. It has a coma. It grows a tail near the sun. It behaves, in every measurable way, like a very old, very cold comet. And honestly, that's the better story. Because a natural comet from another star means every star system out there is throwing messages in bottles across the galaxy, and we just learned to catch them. 17. Oumuamua I. A dry, cigar-shaped sliver that tumbled through so fast we got just weeks to study it. 2019. Borisov II, an unmistakable comet, but chemically wrong for our neighborhood, far richer in carbon monoxide than the comets born here. And 2025 3I Atlas III, bigger, faster, and possibly far older than our sun. 3 visitors, 3 completely different worlds, which tells you something staggering. The galaxy is full of this stuff. And the discoveries kept coming. In October 2025, a Chinese spacecraft orbiting Mars turned its camera toward deep space and captured the closest pictures of the comet ever taken from just 30 million kilometers away. A glowing coma and tail around a frozen core only a couple of kilometers wide. Roman. Then came the chemistry. This comet carries 11 times more methane compared to water than anything born around our sun. And its fingerprints point to a birthplace around an ancient, metal-poor star, possibly 10 to 12 billion years old. This comet may be nearly as old as the galaxy itself. It was ancient, before the Earth existed. So its speed alone proves it's not from here, and its ice is older than our sun. We're literally touching another star system, without leaving home. No starship required. The samples come to US. Sounds fake. It's real. Welcome to Improbablia. Here's what I love about 3I Atlas. For all of human history, the stars were untouchable. Points of light we could see but never sample. And then, the samples started coming to US. Frozen pieces of alien solar systems falling through our sky, carrying ice older than the sun. The visitors were always passing through. We just learned to read their speed. Strange, but knowable. And if things that sound fake but are completely real are your kind of thing, subscribe and hit that like button. It genuinely helps the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Welcome to Improbablia.